Hey there, YouTube and world. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. I'm getting ready to show you guys about a new hobby that I started quite recently, and I'm enjoying this hobby right now. Yep. So let's do this unboxing first to find out what my new hobby is. Ta-da! Yep. My new hobby is to collect classical cars, classical model cars. So this over here, okay, I think I need my glasses to read this. Man, I can't read it. Let's try to use my glasses here. Reading glasses, there it is. Okay, so what do we have here? 1932 Ford window coupe. Okay, so this is a 1932 Ford window coupe that I just got from Amazon. You see, super cool, right? The doors used to open the other way around back in those times. So this is a wonderful model, I would say. Lovely finishing. Yeah, I like the products on Amazon. They have really nice quality and finishing. So okay, so why am I collecting classical cars? Well, if you know me or my channel pretty well, you'll see that I'm a big Tintin comic fan. And being a Tintin comic fan, I'm a big fan of classical things. The things that were used in the era of Tintin. Okay, I'm trying to find one of my. Okay, here it is. So, the Tintin comic book, drawn by Hergé, has a lot of classical cars in them. You see, they use a lot of classical cars because the comics are from the 30s and the 40s and the 50s. So you see the cars here. So I'm trying to collect cars, you know, that have that Tintin thing. I don't know. It's just this thing that I got for Tintin and Hergé's artwork. I'm really a big fan of. So I'm trying to get all these classical cars that looks like, from the Tintin comic book. So yeah, I mean, why not? So I've started collecting them one by one, and I'm enjoying the collection actually. It's really fun to collect these cars, especially to find them. It's not easy to find them. It's very easy to find these sort of cars here. You know, for $1, you can find them in any Dollar General store. I got lots of these, but I don't have these. It's very difficult to find these. I got this from CVS for $5, I think, and I got this from Walgreens, I think, for $7 or $8. Yeah, and I got this from Amazon, and they all have this pullback action as well, so they really run. Yeah, so I'm actually collecting all these classical cars, just for fun. So, and because of Tintin comic, and what I do is just, you know, what I do is I display them in my room uh, next to the Tintin figures that I have. So usually what I do is put this car and then just make one of the Tintin characters. This is Professor Calculus. Stand next to it. It looks really cool. And then, maybe get this car displayed somewhere on my shelf, and then put Thompson and Thompson just in front, or just standing there. It looks like a something out of Tintin comic book, but in 3D in real life. Something you can hold physical. So yeah, these are like lovely, lovely, lovely decoration for your room if you really are into classical stuffs and if you're a big fan of Tintin, right? All right. Stay cool, everybody, and I hope this new hobby of mine will continue, and I'll try to unbox as many classical cars as I can on my computer channel. Stay fantastic. Oh yeah.